Before the COVID-19 pandemic, our outreach department would visit senior living communities across the county. For safety reasons, we can't visit right now, but we found a great substitute with our new senior kits.
They're designed for anyone caring for seniors or for staff at our senior living facilities. They're designed to encourage engagement with seniors, especially in times like today. They're very isolated and we want to keep them connected with the library.
Inside the kits, you'll find a variety of activities.
We've got a themed DVD with activity cards, which encourage conversation and have some fun trivia on them. We've got arts and crafts like watercolor paint sets that they can use. We've got manipulatives that are good for increasing agility in their fingers, but they're also easy for anybody to use. And then cards for memory games, which are great for people with all cognitive abilities.
Each kit has a different theme. So far, our themes include dogs and the great outdoors.
We envision them being used by staff in a guided program type of setting, or they can be just left at the senior centers and then the seniors can check them out individually, just take a look at them when they've got a chance. They can just have fun on their own time. And then eventually, when we're allowed to visit the senior centers again, we'd love to lead programs with them.
If you know a senior community that could benefit from these kits, call our outreach department at 843-805-6841. And I'll see you next Monday to meet your library.